Hello, and welcome to Preply. Today we'll take you on a journey from finding a tutor to successfully booking a lesson and completing our placement test to help you get ready for your lesson. I want to improve my English, so now we'll try to find a tutor that will best help me with this goal. Brandon looks nice. I'll book a trial lesson. Okay, I prefer to sign up with my email. I'll choose Sunday at 8:30 a.m. Now it's time to make a payment. I'll pay with my credit card. Now let's proceed to payment. Now it's time to set the learning goals. Okay, I wish to learn English for relocation. Okay, I'm moving abroad for work at the moment. I would say my English level is B2. Okay, my native language is German, so I'll list that here, native. And I also speak a bit of Bulgarian, but a beginner level. I really want to be C2 proficient. I can get more jobs this way. I think 2 hours a week is perfect. I'm kind of in a rush for my goal, so I think November of 2020, I want to be C2. I have limited time to study, so late afternoon and evening are the only hours I can do. And I'm working most weekdays, so I'll pick Saturday and Sunday for my lessons. Okay, perfect. 78 weeks, 156 hours of lessons, and 344 hours of self study. It's very nice. Okay, let's go to my dashboard. Okay, perfect. I can track my learning progress. My upcoming lesson is here. Wow, I think I'll take the placement test now. Okay, I finished my placement test. Looks like my results were a little lower than I thought. I'm A1 elementary English after all. So if I want to see the details of the test, I can check it out here and look at the ones I missed, so maybe I can practice for the future. Also, since I finished the placement test, it looks like my tutor will receive the results, so they'll be ready for my first lesson with them. I can copy the link of my placement test and share it with my future tutors so they have an understanding of my English level. And that's it.